Lenny with Denver Water. Lenny, go ahead. And so you were saying we had to mark all the way back.
You need to mark the property line all the way back, so that way, when if you're going to dig or do a directional bore, we got to stay on 1746's property line.
So we got to mark the property line, not where the water lines are going, but mark the property line all the way back.
You need to mark the property line, so that way, on the north side of the property line is where you're going to run your service line.
Okay, sounds
to
good.
The back unit.
And then you were saying here.
Now over here, what we're going to have you do is we're going to have you come 4.5 feet off a property corner.
Okay.
So you most likely have to get a survey done.
Okay.
Shoot your survey if the corners aren't marked.
Okay.
So 4.5 feet off the property corner to the north.
Okay.
You're gonna do your tap, stop box, meter pit. 5 feet downstream of your meter pit is where you can upsize to 1 inch.
Okay.
And then that's where you can do your change of direction, so you can get around to the back, down to your running line to shoot into the.
So we have to do some
back.
sort of a jog then.
Yes.
Okay. All right. What else do we need to know?
I think that's about it. I mean, gonna need to tag it. You're gonna have to put an address tag in there.
Okay.
It's a 2x4 tag. Make sure it's blue with white lettering. And on the tag, need to note what structure it's serving. So like the addresses in the back was at 1744.
Yeah.
Will be the structure in the back.
Okay.
How many units is that going to be? Like
two.
So it'll be like 1744A and Unit B.
Uh-huh.
So you'll have to put that on the tag.
Okay.
And hang it on the meter yoke inside the pit.
Okay, sounds good. So essentially, the water main is across the street,
Yes.
right? And so we come back to here, and then go north, like 5 feet or 4.5 feet.
4.5 feet. Yes.
Okay. And then we'll have another meter there.
That's where you'll do your curb stop in your pit. You'll do your tap straight across from this meter pit.
Oh, straight from there. So not from over here along
No.
the property line.
So you'll go straight from where the meter pit's going to sit.
Yeah.
Over to the main.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we jog inside this little zone.
Actually, set your meter pit and curb stop.
Yeah.
Close to the tree, the edge of the top back of curb.
Okay.
As you can.
Yeah.
That way, when you come 5 feet out, on this side of the sidewalk should put it about 5 feet out.
Mm-hmm.
You could upsize it
Right.
to like a 1 inch service, so that way you have your volume
Yep.
for the back units, and then you could bend it so that way you could hit your running line going
Right.
into your back of the lot.
So it can go underneath the grass, this yard part, any way we want.
Yes.
Okay. All right. I guess that's it.
Okay.